Are you ready to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT? Well, hold on tight because today we're diving into the top 5 best ChatGPT Chrome extensions that will revolutionize your browsing experience in 2023. Whether you're a language lover, a writing enthusiast, or simply someone who wants a personalized AI companion, we've got you covered. So, get ready to explore these incredible extensions that will take your ChatGPT game to a whole new level. Let's jump right in. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you. Extension number 1, Text Blaze. Do you find yourself repeatedly typing the same information or copying and pasting data, wasting precious time and hampering your productivity? Are your team's workflows not as streamlined and efficient as they could be? Get ready to supercharge your productivity with Text Blaze. This amazing ChatGPT Chrome extension takes automation to the next level. It allows you to create custom text snippets, templates, and macros, making repetitive typing a thing of the past. Imagine never having to type the same email response or fill out a complex form again. With Text Blaze, you can save time and effort by automating commonly used phrases and repetitive tasks. It's like having your very own virtual assistant that knows exactly what you need to type. Create dynamic GPT prompts for any situation. Tailor the prompt to your needs easily using data from any source, placeholders for interactivity, automatic text, and rules. Create dynamic prompt templates and generate and insert GPT responses anywhere with keyboard shortcuts. Ensure GPT has all the required information to provide the best response. Create a central hub for your team's prompts. Personalize shared prompts by incorporating user information. Use documentation and other snippets as context to use your company's tone. Who is Text Blaze for? Freelancers, marketers, teachers, project managers. Save time and eliminate repetitive typing anywhere. Try it now. The basic plan is free forever. I would highly recommend Text Blaze to anyone looking to improve their productivity, streamline their communication efforts, and reduce their workload. Extension number 2, Search GPT. Are you ready to take your web searches to a whole new level? Introducing Search GPT, the ultimate search assistant extension powered by ChatGPT. With Search GPT, you'll never have to settle for generic search results again. This extension enhances your search experience by providing intelligent suggestions, answering complex questions, and even offering insights and explanations related to your search queries. Your search results are seamlessly enhanced with ChatGPT 4 answers, side by side. This free and convenient tool offers quick access to chatbot advanced AI capabilities directly from your web browser. Ask any question and receive accurate, concise answers in real time. Get the ultimate AI experience with this Chrome extension now. Some powerful feature of Search GPT. Access ChatGPT Helper via Chrome browser. This can also help reduce eye strain. Extension allows you to easily copy text from the conversation to your clipboard. There is no need to navigate to a separate website. We hope you find this extension useful. Extension number 3, Summary with ChatGPT. Are you tired of spending hours watching lengthy YouTube videos or reading lengthy articles? Well, say hello to YouTube and Article Summary powered by ChatGPT. This incredible extension utilizes ChatGPT to generate concise and accurate summaries of YouTube videos and articles. It saves you time and allows you to get the key points and main ideas without the need for extensive viewing or reading. But this extension works well for most videos, provided they have clear audio. YouTube Summary is possibly one of the best ChatGPT Chrome extensions because of its ability to save precious time. Also, you can quickly view and access the summary of the video by clicking the summary buttons on the video thumbnail while browsing videos on YouTube. Extension number 4, AI Content Detector, Copy Leaks. Plagiarism is a serious concern, whether you're a student, writer, or content creator. But worry no more, because we have the perfect solution for you, AI Content Detector, Copy Leaks. With AI Content Detector, Copy Leaks, you can ensure the originality of your work by detecting any instances of plagiarism. This extension uses advanced AI algorithms powered by ChatGPT to analyze your content and compare it against a vast database of sources, providing you with accurate results and peace of mind. Verify what content was written by a human or an AI chatbot with the AI Content Detector Chrome extension from Copy Leaks. AI Content Detector key features: unprecedented 99.12% accuracy, the highest of any AI content detector. Detects ChatGPT, GPT-4, GPT 3.5, GPT-3, GPT-J, and many other AI-based languages and technologies detects AI content across multiple languages including English, Spanish, and a dozen other languages, with additional languages currently in the works. Recognized by CNET, VentureBeat, Wall Street Journal, Search Engine Journal, Vanity Fair, and dozens of other leading publications. The most installs of any AI content detector, and a 5-star rating. Using the Copyleaks AI content detector extension is easy, and installation takes mere seconds. Extension number 5, Paragraphi. Are you looking to enhance your writing skills and speed? Look no further than Paragraphi. This incredible ChatGPT-powered extension is a game changer for anyone who wants to write with precision and efficiency. Paragraphi provides intelligent suggestions, grammar corrections, and even helps you rephrase sentences to improve clarity and readability. It's like having an AI writing assistant right at your fingertips. Paragraphi is guaranteed to increase your productivity and writing quality, instantly draft articles, respond to emails, and automatically ensure professional grammar and tone. Ask it anything and save time on tedious tasks. Welcome to the power of human-AI collaboration. Features: write articles, essays, and outlines on any topic you desire. Simply describe your topic. An essay outline on Macbeth, a report about heat pump efficiency, and Paragraphi will produce perfectly written text in the format of your choice. Adjust tone and voice to further fine-tune your creations. With these top 5 ChatGPT Chrome extensions, you can enhance your productivity, improve. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which extension you're most excited to try, or if there are any other ChatGPT extensions you think deserve a mention. Thank you for watching.